A man was gunned down along the Marchpen Road in Spanish Town, St. Catherine last night. He is 40-year-old tire repairman Dwight Edwards. It is reported that about 9 p.m., residents heard the explosion and summoned the police. Upon arrival, the body of a man on a bicycle was found with what appeared to be gunshot wounds along the roadway. It was removed by a funeral home to Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced dead. No motive has been established. The Spanish Town Criminal Investigation Branch is probing the case. A woman was found shot to death at her home on Galetown Road in Goshen District, St. Elizabeth on Thursday night. She has been identified as Alicia Griffiths, a 38-year-old hairdresser from the community. It is reported that around 10:30 p.m., residents heard loud explosions in the area and called the police. On arrival, lawmen were directed to Griffiths' home, but the door was locked. It is understood that police breached the door, where Griffiths was seen lying motionless on her back in a pool of blood with what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the head and neck. The scene was processed and the body transported to Black River Police Public Hospital, where Griffiths was pronounced. The body was later removed to the morgue pending a post-mortem examination. No motive has been established for the killing, the police said. The nude body of an unidentified male was found at Wallaceford District in Gale St. Mary on Thursday morning. The body is believed to be that of Mr. Lawson, otherwise called Fox, who is said to have been missing since Sunday, the police are reporting. Information reaching Observer Online is that about 9 a.m., residents found the partially decomposed body lying down in a stream. Police said the head of the deceased was beneath a large stone, not compressed, and there were 3 stones on the legs. The stones on the legs could have been thrown or placed on him, the police theorized. The area of the stream is below ankle level, the police said, and the flow of the water is extremely minimal. Initial reports indicate that a search was previously conducted in the area by residents for Lawson, but he was not seen. It was not yet ascertained if a missing person report was filed. No visible marks of violence were seen on the body, the police said.